Heat the pad and check if there's enough solder. If it's too little, use the soldering iron to add more. Ensuring a smooth, even layer on the surface. Gently wipe the pad with isopropyl alcohol to remove any contaminants. And ensure a clean surface for soldering. Apply a small amount of flux to the IC's pins to enhance solder flow. Place the IC carefully onto the pad, making sure the pins are aligned with the pad holes. Gently adjust the IC if necessary. Ensuring proper placement, use a hot air gun to secure the IC in place. Next, pin soldering and testing. Stay tuned.